Today we are at the Opus, one of a kind project in the heart of Business Bay, Burj Khalifa district. Last residential project in the Middle East by Zaha Hadid. And truly it has become a landmark. And we also have the Burj Khalifa view going on. So let's not wait any further. Let me show you the apartment. Right as we enter the 2-bedroom luxury apartment in Opus, like you can see the difference, the details, the designs, the curves, like a lot of attention has gone into it. We have the oak wood flooring going on. In front of us there is the living area, and notice the furniture, the interiors, how effortlessly everything blends in. Truly amazing. Kitchen, living room. And I am standing on the master bedroom. So on my left is the walk-in closet, on my right is the bathroom. Bedroom with Burj view.